Told you I haven't lost it. I just pulled out the world's greatest hike. Behold, the Mona Lisa. Dr. Slippy's Bona Grisa. My partner set me up.
The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Wilkin County, southwestern Clay County in northwestern Minnesota, northeastern Richland County in southeastern North Dakota, southeastern Cass County in southeastern North Dakota, until 5 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Christine, or 18 miles south of Fargo, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazards, 80-mile-per-hour winds, and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
The old lady?
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. This severe thunderstorm will be near Oxbow, Wolverton, and Dickinson at 4 p.m., Comstock, Rush Lake and Wahpeton by 4:05 p.m., Fargo and Moorhead by 4:10 p.m., Sheldon and Baker by 4:15 p.m., Barnesville and Downer by 4:20 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 34 and 63, Interstate 94 in North Dakota between mile markers 350 and 352, Interstate 94 in Minnesota between mile markers 1 and 26. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
It's probably nothing, but I feel like everyone's looking at it.
You're crazy.
Oh my God! It's little Bonnie Ramirez!
That is her, the pageant girl who went missing 3 years ago! Bonnie's alive and that woman kidnapped her!
Yes, it is me, little Bonnie Ramirez. Someone please free me from this monster.